Orion's doing what they do best. It's overheating. It's just a short ride. Hopefully we can make it there without stalling out. It's overheating. The driver said it's not overheating. Why is that alarm going off? Orion's, it's very hot today. They do not like the heat. I mean, I don't know why they put these things up there. These should be on the South Shore where it's cooler. They should put them on like the 33, the 4. They shouldn't be running up here. It's too hot. Look at how long this light is. My God, 23 seconds. This light is way too long, by the way. People in Mineola have been complaining about this for a while. Backs up sometimes down all the way. Stopped. Take a look at that uneven pavement there. Yeah, something's wrong with this bus though. Got a lot of breakdowns today.
Mineola bus terminal.
Because it's too hot to walk over here. Well, at least we have a new flyer. It's not a new flyer though. Go. So I don't know. I think there's something wrong with that bus. I don't trust those things. They do not like the heat at all. I think he becomes the 22 to go west. So, shut the thing off, let it cool off. Somebody's still in the back of that bus. See, the rear signs don't work on a lot of the Orions. Most of the Orions, the rear signs don't work. They're not fixing them because they're getting rid of them. Yep, now he's got to go back west. 1803. Yeah, it's unfortunate. Those buses, if these buses were maintained better, they would look and run a lot better, but these Orions are on their last legs, especially these early 1800s. I don't know how they're going to make it through the summer. Oh, that's it.